again. And how many times have I peeled my face up off the ground for you? In case that you're starting to think you can run my life, I'd think again. Or cripple my faith when you judge and criticize me, but I'm still standing. I don't know if I can say I've lived through everything, but I've walked this earth alone with bare feet broken in the snow. And my father said to me, it never seems to be a simple walk down an icy cold broken road. To scream